Ito. Putang.
How did you do it?
How did you do it? Ay, stuck mo
It's
eh.
alright. Nowhere to go. Want out. But I have to come get these keys. No, you're not infected. I heard
I
that.
gotta get those keys.
Careful now. That a girl.
Ngayon.
That was good, kid.
That was a good kiss.
It's gonna be all
Anong
right.
shotgun yan, boy? Ay, hindi. Ano na yan? Palakol yan eh.
You keep surprising me. Yeah.
Ah, gago! Pangina mo, narigan ako. Andun pala sa gilid. Takbo ako ng takbo. Sa gilid ko pala. Hype na yan. Ulit.
You know, you keep surprising me. Haha.
Oh, takbo. Sige, ito. Pambato ako sa'yo. Hype ka. Ay, ulit kita. Takbo, malipang ko. Putak mo. Masa yan? Saan siya? Tago rin siya.
Oops.
Tago ka rin, gago. Unat naman yung hype na yun. Ellie, magising ka na. Ito, magising pa yung... Ay, nagising yung kalaban mo. Hype na yun. Makamot pa ng ano, tagiliran. Okay, bakbaka na yan. Yun, dali, kunin mo. Saan yan? Sa gilid? Ay, gagi. Kailangan na palang gumapang. Dali. Dali, Eli. Baka mahatak ka pa niyan, ha. Ito, pag sa laro, nahahatak eh. Pag malapit na yun, hatak na nga ba eh. Pilit na yun.
I knew you had heart. You know, it's okay to give up. Ain't no shame in it. I guess not. Just not your style, is it? You can try begging.
Fuck you.
You think you know me? Huh?
Iintindihan
Well, let me tell you something.
Bitel
You have
sa
no idea what I'm capable of.
Balik ka, ha. Baka may na Eli. Uwak na Eli.
Stop! Stop!
Fucking touch me!
Okay, it's me. It's me. It's me. Look, look. It's me.
He tried to...
Oh, baby girl. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
Hapusan natin yung kalaban dyan. May nakuwak siya eh. May taga sa ulo eh. Oh.